How's it going, guys? My name is Francis, and well, I usually ride dirt bikes or my mountain bike, but it's winter time and we recently hit 30, so I'm gonna be stuck in my house. We're in my kitchen right now, and well, I bought a rock crawler today, an RC rock crawler from Hobbytown. It is an Axial SCX10 Deadbolt. This is the first version. It is the ready to run version. It doesn't have the a battery and a charger, but no worries because I have extra batteries for my drone, the Phantom 1. I just bought extra XT60 connectors to make this work with that battery. Well, obviously this is gonna be an unboxing video. Hopefully maybe tomorrow I can integrate a maybe a first run video of it if the weather's not too bad tomorrow. Let's open it up. Do not understand why it has to be so hard like that. They should have anticipated that when you buy one of these things, yeah, you want to play with it right away. But oh, it's zip tied. It's zip tied. So all right, yes. So here's the crawler. It looks nice. I would have preferred the Wrangler body, but you know, it had the AE2 ESC, and this one's got the AE5. Difference being, I have no idea, but the AE5 just sounds newer, and plus I think it's waterproof, so maybe that's gonna work well for me in the winter. Maybe if I try to hit snow or something. Nevertheless, this body looks pretty good. You know, its quality is good. You have the controller, the transmitter, a couple of parts. It's got a skeleton head. I don't know, maybe for Halloween. And it's got paperwork. And I am guilty of never reading paperwork. I'd rather Google or YouTube something if I can't figure it out. So well, in the box it goes. So this is the inside. My battery is gonna fit really nice in here. We got a motor, blah, blah. Now we're gonna get it ready tonight, and hopefully by daybreak we can go out and play with it. Now, my only hope is that when my son sees this, you know, he saw the box earlier, and he got really excited. I don't know, I'm not sure. I might buy him a small crawler or something like that just to get his hands off this thing. I will see you on the first run, most likely, hopefully tomorrow.